Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with an unboxing of my PR order, which means I'm a paid representative for Pomegranate Sticker Co. I get paid in stickers to promote her shop. You can use code RWCS25 for 25% off, and you can find the link and the discount code below in the description box, so you can click there. And it looks like she included some extra freebies, so that means these will be going out in orders that are placed at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time on Thursday, and you guys will probably see this on Thursday, so hopefully you have placed your order. Let's see how many we have so you guys can kind of see, but I will post this as soon as I can on my Instagram and my Facebook group, so hopefully you saw it there already, and then you're seeing this. So it looks like there's quite a few of this one. This is Leslie's November freebie. It's got cameras and planners and quarter boxes and bill due and a take out the trash and a trash can. So there's how many of these? One, don't mess up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of those. And then this one is just the November freebie that you get when you place an order from her. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12. So that means my first 24 orders will either get this freebie or this freebie on Thursday. So I hope you guys like that. Oh, I'm so excited. Because actually I ran out of my little rosy ones, so that's perfect timing. So first 24 orders get one of these little freebies, so it'll be random, like one or the other. You don't get to choose, it'll just be random. It'll be fun. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so this one is really fun. These are like functionals that she has in her shop. Sometimes she does them temporarily in her shop, or she's been doing like seasonal functionals. So let's take a look. So we have right here, this is the pet script ones. So it says vet at the very top in kind of small font. Vet appointment, give medicine, and then visit the groomer, and then buy more food. That's so cute. I immediately think of Christine and all of her foster kitties. So I think that would be a fun one. And then this one says new releases, which I'm so glad she did this one, because I like to put this one when I put new releases down, or maybe you put down for Pomegranate Sticker Co, because she does her new releases usually on Saturdays, sometimes every other Saturday. I'm trying to remember. Okay, and then I ordered this one, which is super cute. You can get this in different colors though. It's Christmas favorites, and it's all Christmas movies. And I actually helped her come up with this. So it's funny because we debated on The Nightmare Before Christmas, but we put it on there. So I hope you guys like all the ones that are on there, but I'm not going to read them all. I think I selected gold for my color, and I think it was $2. Yeah. And then this one is countdown for Christmas, how many days until Christmas, and then it has Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas. So cute. And then here's this one, holiday movie marquee, which I really liked, because I had one once and it said Hallmark movie, and I was like, my Christmas movies are not always Hallmark Christmas movies. So there's this one that's silver with candy cane hearts on the top, and there's the green and red with candy canes, and then there's a pink and blue pastel. Look, Susan. I'm saying that because she was the one that requested the pastel pink and blue stockings. And then here's the gold one. So I'm gonna watch a lot of Christmas movies. So funny. Okay, super excited about these kits, you guys. You have no idea. All right, so first up, most of them are Christmas, so just bear with me on that because I am so ready. All right, so this one is called Christmas Tree. Why not? Why not? Okay, so I do have, which one am I gonna put with this? I don't know. Oh, I might know. Hold on. Where's my bows? Do I have all my bows? I might need them right now. I think I need that one. I think that's what I need. So here we have our trees and wreaths and deco, and it says snow. And then here is the date dots, and then there's a little bow dot. So how cute is this? It has like the buffalo plaid checkered of black and white. So I know that my bow is gonna match. It has the word joy, and I'm releasing the joy clip today when you see this video. So that's a coincidence, isn't it? Oh my. All right, and then now I'm thinking I need to do a rose gold bulb ornament. Oh my gosh. Yes. This one says Christmas wishes, mistletoe kisses. I know I had to be cutesy with that one. All right, and then here is the new half boxes. So there is one of each. There's two of this size and then one of this smaller, and then quarter boxes, habit trackers, and then more quarter boxes. So that was a revamp in how she's designing her kit. So I hope you guys love it. And then here we have the heart checklist and the Monday through Sunday in quarter boxes. And then here we have our headers and then our littles, and then she added the 2 work stickers on here. That means she changed something else up. So this is the new weekend banner. Look how edgy. That's so cool. And then the new font and script words that she added. Oh, and I love the plaid planner. And checklist and bill dues. And then this one, usually the toe work was like up here or something, so she included more washi. And then she did the plaid as the date covers. And then I love the pine cones. I have a pine cone clip. Where's my pine cone? I have a pine cone. Where are you, pine cone? Should be in assorted. There you are. Look. Yay. Now I have 3 clips. And the green Christmas tree. But I think I sold out of that, so oh well. Better luck next time. I am thinking about doing like a gold or a silver tree. What do you guys think about that? Too many trees? I don't know. Okay. This one is super cute. Which is funny because Susan was telling me she got a lot of pink Christmas kits. And I was like, oh, you have no idea. Because I'm about to do that too. So here we go. I'm going to open this one. This one's called Let There Be Presents. Isn't that so cute? Oh, and these are full kits. So these full kits are $17, but like I said, you can get 25% off. And when she does new releases on Saturdays, sometimes she does 30 or 40% off. So watch for their sales. All right, so this one we've got the deco, which inspired the pink Christmas ball, which also was released today. So make sure you snag it because how many did I make of those? How many did I make? 23. So you should be able to get one. All right. Okay, there's the deco, and then look. Okay, if you are a Run with Craft Scissors fan, you definitely need this kit because this girl put RWCS on this Christmas list because that stands for me, and then she put PSC for her Pomegranate Sticker Co. So she put both of us on there, and I was so honored that she did that. I was like, oh my gosh. And then it says open, and so it's like, because they're both stores and it's like shop small, you know. So it was so cute. I just thought that was so adorable that she did that for me. So yay. And then I would definitely put my gold bow with this one, and also my pink bow. Most definitely. Yes. Definitely need the pink and gold at this kit. All right, so there's the full boxes. Love. And then here's the half boxes, quarter boxes, and habit trackers. And then here is the full boxes. So cute. Full box checklist. And then here is the headers and littles. And then here is the weekend banner and the functionals. And then look at this washi. Oh, the confetti bows. Confetti, glitter, and then the bows are just adorable. So much fun. So much fun. So I hope you guys get this one. It's called Let There Be Presents. And it has Run with Craft Scissors on the sticker. So excited. Okay. Next up, we have Bring Your Light. Which I need to get a tissue because I'm having issues. So sorry. Okay. So I'm excited about this one because originally when she and I met from Pomegranate Sticker Co, she and I met because she did a Grinch kit, and she was making her own kits, but she wasn't a shop and she was giving it away because it was like an oops kit, and it was a Grinch kit. So this goes back to like the origins of our budding friendship, okay? So this is a special kit for me. So this one says Bring Your Light, and it has a bunch of little decos on there. And then here, look at that art. Just look at it, it's so cute. Okay, so that's one of the reasons that I did the red ornament. Did you guys see that one? It's a little bit bigger than the pink one. But that's why I did it, because a lot of the Grinch kits have the Grinch holding the red ornament. And so that's one of the reasons I did this red ornament, to match Grinch kits. So I hope you guys like it. And then there's a wreath. And y'all know I have a wreath. yeah, gotta have that wreath. And then the Grinch is, of course, wearing the Santa hat. So you gotta have the Santa hat. I know! She's so awesome at making kits. I just love it. And I have a red glitter bow, which there is a red bow on there. So, see, there's all sorts of things. Just, the magic is there. Okay, so bring your light. And then here's the half boxes and quarter boxes and have tracker. And then here is the full box checklist with the tree behind it, the presents. And then here is the headers and little things and work stickers. There's the functionals and the weekend banner. I like the fun font down here. It's so right down. Okay, and then look at this washi. So cute. Love the bows. Love it. So cute. So I hope you guys like this one. Alright. Oh. Next up, we have, that's right, a Thanksgiving kit, which I desperately needed because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving kit in each one. Pretty sure my son is going to, like, make us do Thanksgiving because I'm pretty sure his teacher is going to focus on, like, Thanksgiving being the content or something for his kindergarten class. So, this one I had to have. You know I had to have it because my husband designed that pumpkin pie clip. And it matches this one perfectly, so I had to have it. I know. So there's the pumpkin pie. Here's my turkey. And then, of course, I have my orange pumpkin. I'm out of my white pumpkin. I think there might be one left in the shop if you want to snag it. But I don't know if it's still going to be there by the time we get this done. So we'll see. And then my bow is there again. Look. That black and white bow. So, perfect. Alright, this one says give thanks, and then it's got another kind of pie over here. I wouldn't think that's pumpkin pie with crust on top, but maybe. I don't do that. Alright, and then here's our half boxes, quarter boxes, and have a tracker. And this one's called give thanks, in case I forgot to say that. And then here's the heart checklist with the flowers. So gorgeous. There's your meal planning, and then your functionals down here. Here's your headers and little things. And then here's the weekend banner and checklist, which I think, yeah, this is old format. So these are not the same size. I was looking at it. And the weekend banner, because that's a different font, and then these are different too. Okay, and then look at that. I just love the roses and pumpkins. So cute. I love it. Okay, so I hope you guys check that out so you guys can get your clips and your kits all matching and everything, and it's so magical, and I'm just so excited, and I don't remember which order these were in because I don't remember. I just like to have this one on the front so I can immediately tell what kind of kit it is. I know, I'm such a weirdo. Okay, so make sure you check out Pomegranate Sticker Co. and use my code to save 25% off. Or if she's having a sale, make sure you mention my name to make sure you get that freebie. So the idea is that the first 24 orders from my shop get one or the other. But once you get it, then you know when you order, you either need to mention my name or just order to get this one. So if you get this one, then you need to order and mention my name so you can get this one. Yeah, that's how that works. Okay, so here's all of the kits that I got. There's another one. There it is. I stacked them on top of each other. So I got 4 kits, and then I got like the assorted sheets that are kind of holiday themed, and then the new pet ones and the new releases ones, which are so cute because they're like miniature sized. I don't even know how much these are because, okay, like this sheet is $2, so I'm guessing these are a little bit cheaper. I don't know. So I hope you guys check her out. All right, bye guys.